Hi, lookup types is used when you use part of the object and you want type safety. In this case, we have an editor, but what we are really interested in is only this editor options. So let's add type safety. Editor and lookup type, it's like in an object. So Typescript will even help you what types it has. As you can see, we already have two errors. For example, value should be a string. And in onValueChanged, we have a typo. It should be onValueChanged. If you use it in a few different places, it's much better to create a separate type for it. Let's call it editor options. And you can use it as you would use it normally. And let's pass it into our function. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.